Are you tired of expensive and complicated video creation tools? Do you crave simplicity, speed, and affordability? Let's introduce you to the world's first AI Doodle and Sketch videos creator platform. This revolutionary platform turns your text prompts into amazing 3D animated colorful AI Doodle and Sketch videos. You don't need any video editing skills, a face or a voiceover. You can even start your own video and graphics creation agency with just 2 clicks. Get ready to fire all your expensive tools and say goodbye to monthly fees. In just 2 clicks, you can start your very own AI Doodle video and graphics creation agency and charge your clients any amount you want. Imagine the ability to create 3D animated AI Doodle and Sketch videos with just simple text prompts. It's like having an artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. But it doesn't stop there. This platform also allows you to build and sell world-class AI character videos in endless niches. Whether you're targeting gamers, health enthusiasts, or tech lovers, the possibilities are endless. And for the content creators out there, this tool is a gold mine. You can generate limitless AI explainer videos, adding a new dimension to your content. Plus, you can add unlimited human-like voiceovers in any language to your videos. The platform also comes loaded with ready-made intros and outros, picking from over 5,000 stunning 3D characters, turning any image into an eye-catching AI sketch and doodle video. You also have a selection of over 1,000 done-for-you stunning video templates. These templates are designed to make your videos stand out and grab your viewers' attention. And let's not forget the built-in AI video stock library. This feature lets you search and discover your desired video content in the blink of an eye, saving you hours of browsing. All of this comes in a package that requires no video designing skills. It's a newbie-friendly platform with an easy-to-use dashboard. With just a couple of clicks, you can start creating stunning videos that will captivate your audience. Are you ready to take your video creation to the next level? With the world's first AI Doodle and Sketch videos creator platform, you're not just stepping up your game, you're revolutionizing it. This platform is a game changer, offering you limitless possibilities to create, design, and innovate. Imagine crafting colorful 3D animated AI Doodle and Sketch videos in any niche, any language, all in under 60 seconds. Think about the time you could save, the money you could keep in your pocket by firing all your expensive tools and services. No more monthly fees, and the best part? You can turn this into a profitable venture by creating and selling as many assets as you like to your clients. You're not just investing in a tool, you're investing in a potential gold mine. Check the link in the description below and get started with the world's first AI Doodle and Sketch videos creator platform today. Say goodbye to expensive tools and hello to the future of video creation.